Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Wise account with QuickBooks. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the Banking tab and select Add Account in the top right corner. Next, search for Wise. You may see multiple options for different countries. They should all work, but select the one that matches the country where your business is registered. Then, log into your Wise account and choose the account you want to connect to QuickBooks. Now, select the balances you want to link. By default, QuickBooks will choose the currency of the country selected in the previous step, but you can change this if needed. After that, choose the date from which QuickBooks should start pulling transactions. Finally, tap the Connect button to complete the setup. So that's basically how you can connect your Wise account with QuickBooks. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.